Hey, this is 1028. Today I am going to show you an app that I created just yesterday and some of today, although I didn't do anything today as far as development of the app. Today I mainly did stuff about sharing, and I'm doing this right now today. So it's not Math Quiz Game. This app is still under development. And it looks different from the Math Quiz Game you're used to if you've played it before. Because I'm working on a special Mac version of the Math Quiz Game, and it's gonna be awesome. But I'm gonna tell you how it's gonna start out, how development of it started out. So I was developing the command /levels. I hit enter, and it just shows me information about difficulty levels and all this. This is really long. Just a really long text file, kind of, that I had to type. And to do that, I have to run a method for every line. And so here's the source code. I don't think you'll be able to see it. I think you'll be able to see it well if I put it up right here. I can't really see. The file is difficulty level dot. No, that's not it. That's not the file. It's difficulty level the Swift unlimited. Maybe I'll see a lot more difficulty level commands. There you go. So I had to. So what I did actually is I typed this whole stuff right here. Let me hold down Option so whenever I drag Option, all of this. I typed all of this except all the parentheses and quotes. I typed all of that in a text file and then pasted it in here, and for every line I typed print line open parentheses quote, and then at the end close parentheses and quote close parentheses, and then I realized that I was doing the wrong method. I needed to do vc.enterText, and so I started going back through them, and then I thought, there should be an easier method to do this, and in comes the new app called Commentor. And I know commenter is not a word, but it basically comments pieces of code. So let's see. How about I open up TextEdit? Okay. How about I quit TextEdit? And how about I just copy all of this. Copy. Okay. Paste. So, and hold that Option. Make it longer. Okay. So, this. Oh, you know what? Shoot. Copy. Paste. Move. There. Okay. Now, in comes Commenter. And what this basically does is you can add text to every line in this text box that you add, or that is in this text area, and you can add anything to the end of it, or remove it if each line starts with and or ends with this. So let me give you an example. To unwrap all of this and just turn it into a basic text file, I'm going to basically select all and I can edit the font and stuff, which is really cool. I'm just gonna do color black because I don't really like that weird color that it is. So if I want to just turn this into a text file without all these enter texts and vc.enter texts, I think I will just go ahead and type vc.enter text colon, that's not a colon, open parentheses. What is this? This is a I forgot the name, quotation mark. And click at the front of every line, and then click remove. And then it will go through, and it will say is if enter text vc.enter text is at the beginning of any of these lines, then it will remove it. And then I can go back and do quotation mark and parentheses, unselect that, select that, remove, and now it's a basic text file. And now I want to turn this into Java, okay? System.out.println. So I really didn't have to remove this, but I want to turn this into Java. Like, if this is gonna be my next Java console game. I'll put at the front of every line, remove the front, remove at the end of every line, and then add. And then I'm going to quotation mark and end parenthesis semicolon at the end of every line, add. So now this is, if you copy this all, select all, and then you copy it and paste it into NetBeans or Eclipse or whatever you're using, you can easily turn this from Swift to Java or whatever you're using. Okay? Turn this into Objective-C if you like Objective-C. System.out.println colon ... Okay. Remove. Let's see. I'm not quite sure how this worked. NSLog at sign that. Yeah. Okay. Add. There we go. NSLogged. Ta-da. That's Objective-C. So this is an awesome app for developers who need to wrap multiple lines of strings. And also like for HTML guys, NSLog so like if you want to put this into HTML, why don't you try P, I guess. Or remove. Let's not do that. BR. So there's a break at the end of every line. So yeah, I really think this is an awesome application, and it's very useful for a lot of things. So if you're a Mac developer or a Java developer on a Mac or any kind of developer and you're using a Mac, you can use this application. It works on Yosemite, I think, also. For those of you who are using beta. But yeah, go check it out. It's in the description of this video. It's on GitHub if you want to view source code also. It's pretty awesome. So yeah.